Dude pare, what's up? How you guys doing? My name is Ronnie. Welcome to my nook. And it's the middle of the season for the NBA, and you know what that means. It's the All-Star Weekend. To commemorate, Jordan Brand has released an Air Jordan 1 Low Special Edition All-Star Weekend that we are going to unbox today. Let's do this, shall we? The Jordan Brand celebrates the NBA's mid-season, showcasing a sleek colorway of the classic Air Jordan 1 silhouette, the Air Jordan 1 Low Special Edition All-Star Weekend. Before we proceed, here are some notes on the Air Jordan 1 Lows. Being that they were not OG design and that Michael did not wear them or played on them in the basketball court, they received cold receptions from sneakerheads, and they weren't as hyped as the high top. Even the mids counterpart still gets some stark remarks from some of the sneakerheads as well. But both have been gaining popularity over the years, notably in the last two. I myself got in late into the Air Jordan 1 hype, as I wasn't really into sneakers that are not designed for walking the entire day. I got wide feet, and with the narrow toe box design of the Air Jordan 1s, my feet hurts after an extended period of prolonged walking on the shoes. Understandably, the Air Jordan was released 35 years ago, and its tech design did not age well in terms of providing comfort. But aesthetic-wise, it's definitely an icon, and there's a reason why it's almost always sold out more than the other retro Air Jordans. So in 2019, I got my first Air Jordan 1 in low top format. And between then and now, probably own around 4 or 5 pairs. And that's just in the low version. Which brings us back to this. So this pair was purchased from Titan 22 from an online raffle that I won for the chance to buy the sneaker. So shout out to Titan 22. They recently reopened after moving to a new location in the BGC branch. I think they're located at the upper ground floor of the One BGC Plaza. So if you're looking for basketball shoes, you might want to check them out. Let's start with the box. It comes in this additional black matte box with the DeBose Jumpman logo on top box. And on the side, we also have the Jumpman Gold logo. And the number 23 DeBose on the other side with details of the shoe, like the name and the sizing. Here we have the Air Jordan 1 Low SE ASW for Special Edition All-Star Weekend in the size 12, which is my size. Alright, pop open the box and we have the tissue with the 23 monogram. Also we have here the receipt from Titan 22. Paid total of $6,095, roughly about $120. So yeah. Alright, so I proceed to the actual shoe. Here we go. Bam! While presented with a sleek and darker tone theme, it possesses interesting details found through its upper half. The primary hue here is stark black main components with small hints of white accents. The underlays having that smooth leather from the toe box, mids, and collars. Wrapping around the smooth leather are the overlays, which are more enlivened with a glossy finish using the patent leather from the mudguard that goes up to the eyelets and then on the back of the heel. The tongue is in the signature material of nylon black with the 23 branding in the middle. It also comes with black flat laces, but it does not come with extra like the high tops do. White trimmings give the sneakers a nice contrast through the stitchings on the swooshes. the circular Jumpman logo on top, on the tab of the tongue, as well as the insole, and the Wingman logo embroidered at the heel. Another subtle detail to point out are the tonal diagonal dotted patterns designed to look like carbon fiber that embellishes the swooshes on the mids. The clean white midsole gives contrast to the all-black uppers, with an encapsulated airsole unit in the heel for a reliable and lightweight cushioning, and pairs it with an all-black solid rubber outsole to maximize comfort. It's a solid shoe in a slick black and white colorway, and I'm giving it an 8 out of 10. Some of you might say that's a little bit generous score for a low top. It's still an Air Jordan 1 silhouette after all, and more importantly, I'm loving it. But what do you guys think? Do hit me up with a comment down below. And that's it for our video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you still haven't, and smash that notification bell. I'll see you next time.